Good morning to all of you. Now we are going to discuss question number 11.3. 11.3 question. This is NCERT in text example. Now they are asking you in this question, this A part, that we have to arrange the following in the increasing order of their boiling points. Okay. First of all, they are given to you pentane 1 mole. Then they have given to you butane 1 mole. Then butane 2 mole. Then ethanol. Then propane 1 mole. Then methanol. Then the methanol. Is that clear? These are there. Then we have to see, we have to arrange them in the increasing boiling point. तो स्टूडेंट पहले हमने देखना क्या है, वेन एवर वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द इंक्रीजिंग बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, you see how many carbon is there, total 5. Here how many carbon, 4. Here is also 4. Here is 2. Here is 3. Here is 1. And just I will tell you before explaining this question that as the number of carbons are going to be increased in the alcohol, okay, number of carbons are going to be increased in the alcohol, then their boiling point will going to be increased. Okay, why their boiling point is going to be increased? As the size of the alkyl group is increases, van der Waals forces are going to be increased. So I think it's clear from you to all, from there only, that this which one is having a highest number of carbon? Yeah, pentane is there. Pentane will be the highest boiling point. Okay, then what will be the least one? Least one will be the methanol. Okay, now there is a problem is here between butane 1 mole and butane 2 mole, because they both are containing the 4 carbons. You know, just remember from there also that butane 1 mole from butane 1 mole and the butane 2 mole. Okay, butane 1 mole will have a high boiling point. So high boiling point. Why? Because butane 1 mole is a primary and this is the secondary, and it's given from primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol will be the having more boiling point, because in the primary alcohol branching is less. Okay, in secondary alcohol branching is more. As the branching increases, surface area is also decreases. Once again I am telling you, from butane 1 mole and butane 2 mole, butane 1 mole will have a high boiling point. What is the reason behind it? Because it is a primary alcohol and it is a secondary alcohol, and in the primary alcohol branching is less, in secondary alcohol branching is more, and when the branching more, surface area decreases, and when the surface area decreases, then van der Waals forces also decreases. Is that clear? So now I am going to write the order. Okay, then its order will be they have told you in the increasing order. So you will start with the least one, methanol, means CH3OH, this is the methanol. Then ethanol, CH3CH2OH. Clear? Then next one will be the propane 1 mole. I am writing here CH3 CH2 CH2OH. Clear? Then they told you butane 2 mole, butane CHOH CH2 CH3, butane 2 mole. Am I right? Then after that next one will be butane, 1 ol. Now you see, I will make there butane, 1 ol. This is OH, CH2, CH2, CH3, butane, 1 ol. Is it clear? Now last one is here, pentane, 1 ol. Pentane, 1 ol. CH2, 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 CH3. This is called pentane 1. Is that clear? So my point, are you getting, all of you, what I'm going to tell you over there? See, as I told you, this carbon, this alcohols are secondary alcohol, and this is a primary alcohol, and here surface area decreases, but here surface area is more. Clear? That is why it is having a higher boiling point, and this one is having a highest, because maximum number of carbon. Understood my point, all of you? Okay, now we are moving towards point B. Now in the B part, what they are asking you, now they are asking you that again arrange the following in the increasing boiling point of what they told now. Now here they have given to you pentane, 1 ol, then N-butane, then they given to you pentanal, then they given to you ethoxyethane. Okay, what they given to you? Ethoxyethane. Now you must see there pentane, 1 ol, N-butane, pentanal, ethoxyethane. But I will tell you here now. Now see, here number of carbon is 5, here number of carbon is 4, here it is 5, here is mainly 2 carbon chain. Now सबसे पहले तो एक बात I think is clear to you. Now which one is having a highest boiling point? You will say me, sir, there will be competition between this one and this one. Am I right? Because this is also pentane, this is also pentane, but here it is ol, means alcohol hai, here it is aldehyde. But I will tell you, alcohol can make intermolecular hydrogen bonding very easily as compared to the aldehyde. Means alcohol can have maximum tendency to make the hydrogen bonding. So I think it's clear. So pentane, 1 ol will have a highest boiling point, second one will be pentanal, third one will be ethers, because it is having a electronegative oxygen, last one will be N-butane, because no oxygen, no electronegative element. So how we can write it? You just see, all of you, how I am writing there increasing. Least will be the N-butane. Formula of N-butane, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. This is the N-butane. Okay. Then after that is coming ethoxyethane, means OC2H5. Just wait. Ethoxyethane. O C2H5, C2H5. Next one will be the pentanal. Pentanal means CH3, CH2, CH2, then CH2, then CHO. Okay, this is called pentanal. And last one is pentane, 1 ol, CH3, CH2, 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 OH. Pentane, 1 ol. Clear? Now again I am explaining you why this is so. But ये alkane है, no electronegative element. That is why boiling point is least. They both are having a 5 carbon. Here is also 5. But alcohol can have maximum tendency to make a hydrogen bond as compared to aldehyde. And ether is containing 1 oxygen. Little tendency is there. Okay, that is why this is the order of boiling point. I hope you all are getting my point. Okay student, thank you very much.